Lately, we've seen some wild and crazy welcome offers from a lot of different banks out there, especially from American Express on their Platinum card with anywhere from 125,000 to 150,000 membership rewards points, and on the Amex Gold card with anywhere from 75,000 to 90,000 membership rewards points. And even though American Express does tend to get a lot of attention, and rightly so because they do have a lot of great card products and great offers on those cards, a lot of other banks also have some great competitive cards with great offers as well. So if you stick around for the entirety of this video, I'll show you a really cool tool, which is one of many ways to identify if you've been targeted for elevated offers, pre-qualified offers, or even pre-approved offers. Seriously, don't miss this. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also check out the links down below to earn some cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, to get $25 when you open a new SOFI checking and savings account and deposit just $10 or more, and to view my all new site with some great credit card offers that I've organized into different categories to help you find the cards that you like best. Let the special offers, targeted offers, and limited time offers begin. Welcome to my YouTube channel, the place where you can learn all about credit cards, and of course remember that you are always great. So what I want to point out here is that you probably see me mention in all the intros and the outros to my videos that there are links down below in the description for you to check out for some cool opportunities and other offers. So let me pull up a video, the 7 best Amex Platinum Card benefits, and what we'll do here is first pause this video, and then go to the description area right here where it says show more, and that reveals all of the links that I provide for you all to check out. And the first one here is view credit card offers. So if you click on this, which just goes to markscreditcards.com/offers, that's the little web page that I made. It will then take you to that offers page, which currently looks like this. I might redesign it in the future if you watch this video, months and years into the future. But for now, this is how it looks like. I've got all the different categories, whether it's my top cards, the cashback cards, travel, airline, hotel, 0% APR, student, secured, and business cards. But now at the very top, for those of you who haven't seen it yet, I added this section called CardMatch. And this is a great way to check for your special offers, pre-qualified matches. And so what we're going to do is actually click on the View Offers tab right next to it, and that will bring you to the CardMatch tool. It currently looks just like this, and it says you are seconds away from your CardMatch offers. Get personalized offers from our participating partners in less than 60 seconds. So before we actually go through this, and I will walk through the entire process for you, that way we can see what targeted offers I might have, and of course just be informed about how all this works. So first of all, what this tool is good for. Number one, there is no impact to your credit score. A soft credit check will be performed, but of course, as we know, soft checks do not affect your credit score because there is no hard inquiry, and it's always the inquiries that would lower your score. So just a soft pull, nothing to worry about here whatsoever. Number two, your information is totally safe because it is protected with 256-bit encryption. And also for your matched offers, this is where you can actually view pre-qualified matches, and they'll evaluate your credit profile to find the right card for you based on, again, your overall profile. So what we're talking about here is more of a superficial type of profile that you might be able to access for free on Credit Karma or Credit Journey through Chase or any of those credit monitoring or credit checking sites where you can check your score as often as you like, whenever you like, for free. So same type of thing here, and then the CardMatch tool takes that information that is easily able to be obtained and match it based on your profile, your score, your factors, etc., on the type of card products that you will likely have a greater chance of approval for. We can also see some of the brands that CardMatch will work with, including American Express, Citibank, Discover, Credit One, Bank of America, and Wells Fargo. So once you submit your information, you'll be able to see a lot of different cards that you might be eligible for. Now, the really cool thing here is that you typically see 3 different types of things through CardMatch. First of all, you might see elevated offers, that is a bigger sign-up bonus than the typical public offer directly on Amex's, Citi's, Discover's, etc. website. Number 2 would be pre-qualified offers, which means you have a higher likelihood of being approved for a specific card. And then number 3 would be a pre-approval, which means you've basically already been approved for a certain offer, certain APR and all that, certain credit limit perhaps. And therefore, if you go through with it, you pretty much have guaranteed yourself the approval. So with all of that in mind, let's scroll out here back to the top and go through this process to see what types of offers that I might be targeted for based on my profile at this moment in time. All right, so we've got first name, last name, Jeffrey Reese. There we go. Next, mailing address. So street, city, state, zip. I'll do that and then click on next. Then we have what's your employment status? Employed, student, retired, self-employed, unemployed, or other. So choose the one that corresponds to your life situation. Continuing from that, it then asks you for your monthly rent or mortgage payment. So place that in the text field there. If you don't currently pay any rent, maybe you're a student or you have it covered in some other way, you can put 0 on that line. So basically what's happening here is they're going to do some sort of risk profile based on how much money you make, which was the previous form field that we saw, versus how much you spend on probably your biggest expense every month. Basically, how much income do you have left over to then, of course, be responsible with credit. And that kind of goes into the algorithm of will you be able to make your monthly payments on your credit cards, etc. So that's why they ask you for these types of things to get a general sense of your financial and life situation here. So let me do this next and I'll be right back. Okay, now we have the last 4 digits of your SSN or social security number. It does not ask you for your full SSN because again, this is not a hard pull. So put those 4 digits right there and then click on next. Then lastly, it will ask you for your email address. So place that right there and then go down to agree and get matches. Okay, just filled that out and now we will go to agree and get matches. Hang on, we're pulling those offers for you from creditcards.com. Let's see what happens. Oh boy, here we go. So first up is the Amex Gold card, and it is one of those special offers. So the public offer right now, as I'm filming this video on June 28th, is 60,000 membership rewards points. But this is a pre-qualified special offer, and I can earn 75,000 membership rewards points after spending $4K on eligible purchases in the first 6 months. So that's 15,000 more points on this offer versus the general public offer. Now, yes, even higher offers may be available out there. There have been some 90,000 point offers floating around, some lower ones at maybe 70 or 65. But again, this is what I was targeted for based on my profile. You might see something totally different. So anyway, this is again, pre-qualified and special offer. So if I look at this info icon, it says here, being pre-qualified means you meet the issuer's initial criteria. CardMatch special offers are offers from our partners that you can't find anywhere else on creditcards.com. So I want to contrast this with a blog post by TPG or the Points Guy. They did an article about this, how there are some really big offers for the Amex Platinum card and the Gold card as well. 150K, 125K on the Platinum, and up to 90 for the Amex Gold via CardMatch, which is super cool. And they have some screenshots here. So this is what a pre-approved special offer would look like right here. So as I move this over, notice how mine over here is pre-qualified. Therefore, I have a higher chance of approval, not guaranteed. Whereas pre-approved, basically, I'm approved, I'm in, just go in there and accept the offer. I view that as a guaranteed approval. So that was the Platinum there. Same with the Gold. They also have a screenshot of what a pre-approved offer is like for that. So kind of cool to see that as well. Let's see what else I have here. I've got 100,000 miles plus 10,000 MQMs on the Delta Sky Miles Platinum. And keep moving down. The City Premier card, 80,000 points, super cool. That's really tempting for me, but I'm still under 524 with Chase, so I don't really want to use a slot for that. But if you're not worried about 524, or if you're over 524, or if you're like at 024 and don't really mind using one slot, then that City Premier offer, if you see it, is fantastic. Also got City Custom Cash for $200 of cashback for the bonus. Wells Fargo Active Cash, $200. Wells Fargo Reflect, great card for 0% APR for 18 months if you needed that for any reason. City Double Cash, there's really no special offer here. This card almost never has a bonus. So if you see a bonus on the City Double Cash, that's very rare. But nonetheless, again, based on my profile, I've been matched for the Double Cash card as I have a good chance of getting it. US Bank Altitude Go, 20,000 points. The US Bank Visa Platinum, another great card for 0% APR. This one gives you 20 billion cycles of 0% APR. Then we've got the US Bank Business Triple Cash Rewards, $500 bonus on that. And then this goes on, of course, from here. So Bank of America, as you can see here, there are a lot of issuers and a lot of different cards from those issuers. So yeah, of course, do this for you. Man, this goes on a really long way, doesn't it? Even the pedal card here as well. So for beginners, if you're new to credit, again, this is all about building a profile around you. So if CardMatch realizes, hey, you have very limited or no history at all with building credit, they will also show you some cards that you'll be able to get approved for most likely. Again, may not be a guarantee. So whether you're a total beginner, intermediate stages, or advanced in the credit card rewards game and all that, there are opportunities here for you to see great offers for everybody. So going back to the top of the page here, if you find a card you like, for example, that Citi Premier card that I had my eye on, if you just click on apply now for any of these, it will then move you over to that issuer's website or landing page. So now you can see here up at the top, it's at citicards.citi.com. So going through CardMatch is not some weird way to do it. It's just basically collecting offers for you. Then they send you out to that direct issuer for those special offers if they're available. And with all of that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit other people, then please help me get it in front of them by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Because the more engagement and views the video gets, the more likely YouTube is to recommend it to a broader audience to help more people out with this awesome information. Also check out the links down below to earn some cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, to get $25 when you open a new SOFI checking and savings account and deposit just $10 or more, and to view my all-new site with some great credit card offers that I've organized into different categories to help you find the cards that you like best. I thank you all for watching today's video. I hope it brought you some great value and also some excitement about the offers that you might be targeted for based on your profile. A lot of people are not familiar with CardMatch, or if they've heard about it, they really haven't used it before. So whenever you're getting in the mood to apply for a new credit card, definitely check it out to see if there are any elevated offers, promotional offers, limited time offers, or perhaps some pre-quals or pre-approved offers that you might be able to get that you did not see anywhere else. So add it to your toolkit as a way to check for elevated value to help you travel more and pay less, or even just get some more elevated cashback offers that you can use for whatever you like. I look forward to seeing you all again in my future videos, and while you're waiting on my next upload, remember always that you are great.